Welcome to 7-Figure Products. In this series on YouTube exclusively, we're going behind the scenes reviewing and personally purchasing and unpackaging top performing and selling products on Amazon. These are products that I personally find from some of the top companies in the world and brands in the world that are generating over 7 figures. At the AMZ formula, we often say that you're only one product away. So we want to dive deep and identify how do these mega sellers find these products? Why are these products doing well? What does their packaging look like? What do the suppliers look like? How can we improve these products? What type of marketing strategies are they doing? And much more. In this series, we're going to show you how to start, build, grow, and even scale your very own online Amazon business selling physical products by creating your very own brand. By the way, every single week we're dropping a new episode, so you want to make sure that you do a few things. Number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, click the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we drop a brand new video inside this YouTube exclusive series, 7-Figure Product series. By the way, check out this playlist and also save it. That way you do not lose it or forget about it. We literally spend 6 figures per year on production as well as purchasing these products physically so that we can open them and go behind the scenes of some of these giants to give you cutting edge strategies and up-to-date information that will allow you to build your 6, 7, or even 8-figure online Amazon business. Remember, you're only one product away.